two fans. This one here, the Endless Breeze, made by Fantastic. Now with the pandemic, it's soared up to $140. This one, the Boundless Breeze, is $40. This one has a 70-inch DC power cord. This one has a 100-inch DC power cord. Now I'm going to power these off the Jackery 500. The Jackery 500 has 3 DC outputs, 2 that you put on this adapter for, this 12-volt adapter for, and 1 that's built in. Oh, and now the 500 is a sweet model. I'm going to test the wind speed on these fans. The fan blades are the same size. They're both 10-inch fan blades, much like you'd find in the roof of an RV. Both of these have feet on them, very similar feet. The feet fold flat under the fan. These feet are a little bit flimsier on the Boundless Breeze. They're a little tiny bit more sturdy on here. I don't see this as an issue. You could easily replace these with your own feet if you wanted. Both fans are held together with screws, which is good because then you can get inside of them and you can effect repairs, which I had to do a little repair on this one when I received it, but nothing major. Both fans have 3 speeds, off, medium, and high. I have a wind speed meter here. I'm going to hold it about 2 inches away from the grill. On low, it's about 6 miles per hour. Medium, it's 9 miles per hour, just about 9. Hitting about 11 miles per hour on high. Now the Boundless Breeze, on low, it's 11 miles an hour, just over. Medium, 12.9 to 13. On high, 15.5. Background noise is about 48. I'm doing a decibel reading now. Endless Breeze, 54. That's on low. Medium's about 60. High is 66. Boundless Breeze is 63 on low. About 70 on medium. And it's 72 on high. I mean, in my opinion, in the trailer, I only use it on low. I think if you're outdoors and you're running it off a solar panel or something, which I have done, I've run these directly off solar panels, they run great. I'm going to give you the power draw as the Jackery reads it. So the Jackery has a display that shows the power that's being consumed. On low, we'll let it stabilize. On low, this fan draws 20 watts on low. The Endless Breeze draws 20 watts on low. On medium, it draws 30 watts. And on high, it draws 41 watts. A Boundless Breeze on low is drawing 27 watts. Boundless Breeze on medium is drawing 33 watts. Boundless Breeze on high is drawing 44 watts. So the wattage is pretty similar. This one does draw a little, but I credit that to the motor running faster. In my opinion, if you're looking for a 12-volt fan, I think you'd be crazy to buy this one at this time. Now, I must have been crazy. I bought it a while ago, and this is all that was available. But now we have another fan, this Boundless Breeze, and it's just very slightly. It's constructed differently. This one has a much more sturdy handle. This handle, just okay, but it has a handle. I mean, it functions. When I received this one, it had a funny noise to it, so I took it apart. I took out 4 screws, lifted off the cover, and I found that the screw that holds the fan blade to the motor shaft was loose. So I put some Loctite on that and screwed it back, and that quieted it down. Now this one is a little bit noisier, but it produces more air. It produces more volume of air. The blades are the size, the wind speed is faster on this. These are really personal fans. They'll cool one person, 5 feet away. They're probably going to give you a pretty damn good breeze at one person. 2 people better be pretty close together. They're not like a big box fan that you have for your house. They'll go out to 10 or 10 feet. I would still be getting a breeze for them. That was in controlled conditions at home. But I'm working with a small volume trailer, and that's actually pretty good. I have to, at night, if it's a really hot night, and this has been a hot summer, I'll tell you, it works really good. I only keep it on a little while, cool down, then turn it off. And it's small enough to get into the trailer. It's small enough for me to use. Now, people ask me all the time, Cosmo, can I buy a bunch of Jackeries and run an air conditioner off-grid? Nobody's doing it. I don't think you can do it. It's very difficult. You may run it for an hour or two, but with a couple of 1000s. I don't know anybody who's running an air conditioner on battery power. If you have a generator, you probably could, but then I don't want to camp near you because you have a motor running, I'd rather be out here having nice and quiet, which it is. It's very quiet here. I'm going to be here for a week, off-grid camping, and I'm exercising everything. One of my primary goals is to find out if I can live on 20 gallons of water for a week. So far, so good. But there you go. I think you can save some serious bucks on this fan. I recommend it for somebody who's looking for a DC fan. Don't forget, with a Jackery, you can run an AC fan. I would just test it at home and make sure it's how much time you're going to get out of it.